I cannot decide what to eat for lunch. Chipotle sounds really good too, but this ramen is always best when you eat it hot. So I think I'm going to make some ramen. Hi everyone, welcome back to another mukbang vlog. Hi. I am starting my vlog in the kitchen again. I'm not cooking anything. As you guys saw, I couldn't really decide what I wanted to eat. So I had Chipotle because I bought some for Tong for his lunch, and might as well I bought mine as well. And then I picked up some Japanese ramen. So I am covered for my lunch and dinner today. I just came back from Target, had to get some house supplies, and I am not going anywhere today. I am done. I am tired. My stomach is like aching a little bit, so I am not going anywhere. I am not cooking anything. I do have a lot of cleaning to do, so when I'm cleaning a lot, I'm not gonna cook. So I am pretty covered for lunch and dinner. I'm heating up my broth. Here's some pork. Okay. I have my noodles. This is half-boiled eggs. I think it's fine. I'm gonna just eat it. And then some porky right here. I'll pour a little over the pork. Oh, smells so good. It smells so good. I'm so excited for this. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Oh my god, I think hey, you farted. Yeah, you did. I'm gonna try the soup first. So, I could have made some Korean instant noodles, but I'm really trying hard to stay away from all the spicy food. I love bamboo shoots, oh my gosh. I tried mimicking this at home, but it just never tastes the same. Oh, this is so good. I love that it's not spicy. If I eat spicy food, anything that I eat after just really kills me. Like I really want to enjoy my sparkling water, and I figured out that if I have something spicy and then have sparkling water, it really like burns my throat. But if I have something more like not spicy or something creamy and has sparkling, I'm completely okay. Oh, it hits the spot. I am already excited for dinner. I mean, this is really good. It's really hitting the spot, but Chipotle for dinner, oh my gosh. You know what's more exciting about it? Is that I don't have to cook anything. I don't have to order. I don't have to wait for anything. I don't have to go pick up anything. It's already there. But I might have the guac and chips for desserts, maybe. We'll see. Some pork. I don't know if you guys could see, but it's Mr. Ramen right there. So, I was at Target earlier, and I didn't really think much about this. Whenever I see a mom with their kid or kids, I didn't think much about it until like today. I saw so many moms with their kid. Literally, 1 out of 3 people had a kid with them as they were shopping. I'm just like, how are they doing this? Like, I could barely get out of my car. Going in and out of the car is so difficult for me. Yet they're shopping this, like, their carts are full. They have a kid, like a toddler, on their car seat on top of a cart. How are they doing this by themselves? They don't even have their husband with them or a friend to help them out. I mean, I'm really excited to go to places with my baby. Like eat out, like get a brunch with a friend, or even shopping. But I don't know if I could do it alone. I think it's actually easier with a newborn because if they sleep well, especially. But a toddler, I don't know. Especially a boy. I don't know if I could go shopping with them. I thought I had a lot of noodles, but I'm killing it. Stewed pork and noodles. It's crazy how my appetite during my first trimester, even a little bit of second trimester and third trimester is so different. Like, I was actually scared that my first trimester would be filled with acid reflux and just very acidic, sour stomach, which I did, but I didn't get acid reflux. It was more like I'm hungry, I have a sour stomach, I gotta eat kind of thing. But third trimester is like I'm getting acid refluxes, very, very like sore throat if I eat something too spicy or too carbonated. So it's really crazy. I went through so many sodas, sparkling water during my first trimester because it was so healing for me. Like, I did a lot of sparkling water with a little bit of like lemon and honey. I used to take Ame. I still kind of do. I take him everywhere. Before everyone started to get pregnant and started having babies, like I took Ame everywhere. If our friends were having a gathering or a party, whatever, of course, with their blessing and their consent, I would bring Ame. Having him there with me was very. I didn't have to worry about him like being alone home too long, or he's like in my sight. So it was, in that sense, it was it was relieving. But at the same time, like him being in a new environment, I have to keep my eye on him, and he has more different needs. He's constantly barking. Like I have to find him if I don't see him. Like for the next like 10-20 minutes, if I don't see him, I have to go find him because where the hell is he? Like, is he pooping somewhere? Is he eating the poop? I'm sorry, TMI, but like, is he like eating something that he shouldn't be? So in that sense, it was a little bit more stressful because like him being at home, like I know exactly where to cover, what rooms to leave open and all that. So in that sense, it was kind of stressful. I wonder if that's how it's gonna be with the kid. Like I know I have to bring the kid around. At the same time, like is it better if my parents just watch him? That goes for the baby and Ame now, because as much as I'm excited to take both of them to like parks or anywhere where they accept a dog and a baby, I'm really excited for all the adventure. But at the same time, I would definitely miss just having that freedom, just being able to go anywhere without having to worry about anybody. But I lost that 10 years ago before I, brought Ame home, which I don't regret at all. But there are definitely times where I'm like, I just want to be able to leave the house without having to worry about, will Ame like go to the trash can, or does he have to pee, or is he gonna be hungry, or like, all that stuff. I am very content, but I think I could push a little bit more for some chips and guac. Very excited. I'm gonna relax with my favorite show.
진짜 음식 안 가리고 저기 좋아하거든. 음식을
Oh my god, there's so much food. I have my Chipotle, but I don't know why. I'm just being really, really ridiculous, but there's just so much rice in here. Oh my god, this is so much. I don't know why I'm so frustrated looking at this. I don't know why. I feel like there's just like only rice in here. Why am I so frustrated? Oh my god, it's the hormones. Or just me. Maybe I'm just a weird person, but oh my god. I don't even know why. I just one of those days, one of those nights. I have my tortilla. I'm probably not even gonna finish this. I don't know what it is. It's just at nighttime. I have appetite. I'm like hungry for something, but I just can't eat a lot of it. So I didn't add any like spicy sauce, like tomatillo. I'm not using any hot sauce, but the chicken is a little spicy. Yeah, even the chicken is like a little spicy for me, but I think it's okay.